Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This vlog is extra special because we're going to Bogtown, and so it's a little bit of Bogtown. Get ready with me, a whole lot of things. But yeah, I'm ready for this, and I want to show you guys something that's looking cool though. Wait, that is. So yeah, I'll be ready for this vlog. It's the first one is gonna be get ready with me. Remember to like and subscribe and comment of what you want to see more of on the channel. They'll get ready with me, sort of. Is it Philiboni? So she's doing my makeup today. Minimal, my favorite. My favorite. Which are kaya o sa net sa pagkutin my opsit is out of
Kumani?
No, that's not part of the deal.
Okay.
The face situation.
Ik wil verduidelijk wat doen.
Yes.
Oké.
That is
Eerste,
the-
primer. Primer. Nee, geen primer. Nee.
Not sponsored, but would like to be sponsored.
Bij Essence, alsjeblieft. Ding drops is een beetje af, you know. Alsof Essence.
Still Essence.
Sponsor
Margin
Essence.
You're baie agressief.
Sorry man. Ik is gewoon make-up te doen. Wacht even. Oh ja, joh.
Sy moet vir my sê ek kan nog nie dit sien. I feel like I was glowing before this. That is.
My nose is extra grow, you
Okay.
know.
Wat sê sy?
Shady. So it's not your beauty. It doesn't change you. It enhances your social life. Dat zijn ook kleine kakasjes.
What's that?
Nee. This is new person. It bronzes your face up. That makes you... Ik weet niet
Maar as ek klaar chocolate is.
Maar dat niet. Nee. Ja, wat leuk. Chocolate doen die man. Is het een boel of een contour, nee? Dat je contour ook niet beweegt. Staan zij. Dus een
So it's set op.
Wat set op,
ja. Your
Oké.
You guys know in the last video I used my little Timo.
Maar ik heb gewerkt.
My Timo. Lost my Timo. So we used my Timo, so it's double color, it's light brown and dark brown. But we're not using this today because we have a professional, yeah. You see, it's Morphe with James Charles. Come on. Let's check the palette.
Dit tijd bij je gebruikt.
Hello, but it's giving rainbow. It's giving
Doe je
rainbow.
rainbow. Ik ga jou rainbow.
Wat de laatste keer? Hey guys, that is it for this. Get ready with me. Next up, I'll just show you guys some clips of what is this now? Bogtown. Pure vibes, you know. Support the book club because we live in South Africa and all these vibes. Hey guys, so we are currently at Bogtown. The Tifa say hey.
Hey guys!
Yeah, we're at Bogtown. They're playing My Lady Soul. The bones hello. Everyone is here. And Denisha is here. And the phone owner Melissa. Yeah guys, it's giving early. It's giving very early. Yes, we need to see if we can play games. We need to see if we can play games. We got to be jumping castle. We have to see. It's a bit loud, but we're doing it. You so yes, but it is only.
Okay, bro, what the? Sê voor jou mensen wie zeker, maak het altijd net lekker.
Okay, wait, I can't hear anything, guys. We're back with the vlog. Oh, that lighting is so bad, babe. But anyway, we are back in studio. We did the 12 to 3 show today. I just wanted to film because it's been a minute since I've done a show. But you just see, journey's never really over. You always like, it will always be a thing where I like standing for somebody. But making this a full career is, I don't know. Should I not? Let me know in the comments. But this vlog was crazy, different things. And wow, August has really been a full vibe, and I'm so excited. Can't believe I'm turning 25 in a week. Oh my days.